Welcome to this GrowthWheel online test drive, where we will learn how to create outcomes and share them with our client. Let's create an outcome by clicking on the green plus button at the top of the screen. Select a client and then click the green Add Outcome button. Write in a title for the outcome and select a type of outcome. Is this a generic outcome, a result, an achievement, or economic impact? Depending upon the type of outcome you select, the options below under Work Area and Category can change. Let's say this is an achievement. Now let's select a work area and a category related to the outcome. Under Timing, add the month, quarter, and year when it was achieved. You can also add an additional description for the outcome. Click the green button with the 3 white dots. Save and share your outcome with the client. Outcomes auto-save, so just click the X at the top right to leave the outcome. You can also convert an ambition into an outcome that the client has achieved. Still in the growth plan and your client's list of ambitions, click on the submenu Ambitions. Click on the 3 dots on the far right of the ambition you want to convert and select Convert to Outcome. Click Convert in the pop-up screen. From the Outcome screen, select a type of outcome. This time, it's an economic impact. Note that the work area defaults to All, and under Category we can select the best option. Edit any information as necessary, such as timing, a specific description, and add a quantity for an economic impact or a result outcome. You can also sort your outcomes in a variety of ways, such as when the outcome was achieved, what type of outcome it is, or who added it to the platform. To download your client's outcomes, either click on the blue download button or click on the download button icon to the right of each outcome. And that's how you can track your client's outcomes.